Hey guys, so I'm putting my dash back together again, and I've been struggling with this for a while, and I think I found a method to get it in a lot easier than the way I've been doing it. So what you want to do is get it in this orientation where you have it, you have this plastic boot in pretty much all the way, and then you have, let me get a better angle of it. You can't really see it. Well, let me try and bring the camera in and down. Basically, you want that, yeah, there we go. So you want the hole to be on the left side of the light switch. The reason being is because that snap tab is in the way. If you put this in perfectly straight, you won't be able to get the light switch through this hole. So yeah, put it in on an angle, and you should be able to just push it up over after you get it in this angle. And basically I have it up here against my mirror. I have the steering wheel all the way down, so there's should be plenty enough room. So I'm going to probably put some Dawn dish soap on the other side of this hole because it is a pain to get the switch out of here. Getting back in is probably going to be just as bad. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I wish I could show you show you guys me actually doing it, but it's kind of a two-handed job. So here's another angle of the dash panel. I've got some Dawn dish soap on here as like a lube, and you got the switch right here. So I could just push in while pushing the dash to the right, and hopefully it'll all just snap into place. I'm gonna try and show you guys me doing this. Let me see if I can get a good angle of it. It's going to be a little tricky. I need a stand or something, but I should just be able to push in. Hold on a second. All right, so I just pushed it in. I had to use both hands for this, but now let me pull back a little bit. So now it should just all fit into place like so. Make sure you don't scratch up anything. I've already scratched up my my cluster pretty bad. Hopefully that buffs out. But yeah, then you got these boots down here. You just need to push and make sure everything is lined up correctly. And make sure the tilt wheel is all the way down still. And there you go, it's in place. All I gotta do is bolt it back up, and I'm good to go. So that was a real pain in the ass, but I think doing that method that I showed you, where you gotta get this side in first on a tilt, that seems to be the method to go by. So yeah, good luck. It definitely wasted a lot of my day trying to get this thing back together again.